Yes, hello everyone, you welcome again to this video, and I'm very super excited to give you an update on whatever is going on during the International Agency for Prevention of Blindness Conference. And here we have met Madam Ruth. She's going to introduce herself because we have been working together for kind of a long period of time, but we had not met physically. And she's going to introduce herself. Welcome.
Thank you so much for this introduction. To just introduce myself, my name is Ruth. I'm the Programs Manager for Africa for Know the Glow. Know the Glow is an NGO that creates awareness on pediatric eye conditions for children at the age of 0 to 5. And we've been having several campaigns in different countries, and through the campaign in Uganda we're able to get connected to Gulf Eye Health Foundation, and that's how our partnership and friendship and long-term relationship.
Great. I'm super excited. Through the campaigns we got to meet with Know the Glow, and we are really doing a lot of activities. I think if you watch our YouTube channel, for those of you who have been watching for kind of a long period of time, we have been having activities like training health workers to identify retinoblastoma. We have been training midwives in different facilities how to arrest or to detect some of these diseases that are related to Know the Glow as early as possible in different facilities. And we are very committed to seeing that we train more hospitals so that they can be able to detect these Know the Glow related diseases. And of course, she has already talked about retinoblastoma. We have other cases like cataracts in children, those ones that present with a white pupil. And recently we have been making some videos about the same cause, and we are working together to really see that we dispel blindness among children who are under the age of 5 years and other pediatric cases. So I'm very excited and happy to work with you, and we are looking forward to hosting you at the Gulf Eye Health Foundation, to our clinic, to do some outreaches with you. So the intention of this is to introduce to you Madam Ruth, and we are very grateful. Yes, what I could ask, is this a serious case? Because people who are watching us, when we talk about Know the Glow, are they serious diseases? Probably, because we see in the locality many times people get to know cataract only. But could you mention some of the diseases and probably what could be done or what could happen if at all there is nothing that is being done?
So first, to distinguish what the glow is, it's in medical terms it's called leukoporia, and it's a sign or a symptom a child could have in the eye that is whitish, and the sign could be a serious eye condition or something very simple. And the glow does indicate more than 20 eye conditions, but the most serious one is the retinoblastoma. In simple language, is the eye cancer. And unfortunately for Africa cases, parents come with their children when it's at the end or the last stage, most times when the eyes have to be enucleated, and that's a reason that we need to create awareness about the glow. And it's very easy to see the glow either using the flash photos, or rather taking a photo using the flash, or dimming the lights in the house and looking at the child's eye. So there are many ways to look at the glow, and as I said, it might be a simple eye condition, but it could be a serious case. And unfortunately for Africa, retinoblastoma, we have so many cases of late stage presentation, and sadly we don't have doctors or optometrists or ophthalmologists or nurses mentioning that, or getting cases that are good stage cases that they can be able to save that eye. So we hope that we create more awareness so that we save the sight and we save the child's future.
Oh, that's great. Uh, Many times my viewers have always interacted with some of the cases we have always shared. We have the child that we identified in one of the communities, and we lost the child because at the stage at which we found out it was already late. So I think it is very, very important for us to embrace this awareness. You can share with a friend. Just get to our WhatsApp, get to our YouTube channel, other social media handles. You'll get a lot of this information, and probably it will help us to make the people aware about the problem. And you can also check on the website of Not a Blog. There is also the other materials that you can learn about these diseases. So thank you very much, Madam Ruth, for catching up with me. We are very excited, and I'm very happy to meet you.
It was a pleasure meeting you in person.
Yeah.
We have always spoken through phones and via email, so it is a pleasure to meet you. And it's not a glow, we're looking forward to working with you, supporting you, and we are behind you, cheering you.
Oh, that's great. I'm very excited. Yeah.